the recommended section. This area is supposed to show you recent files and new apps, but in reality, it just creates visual clutter and can even be a privacy issue if you share your PC. Getting rid of it is the single most important change you can make. To do this, we will dive into settings. Press your Windows key and then type settings, or just use the shortcut key Windows key plus I. Once you are in settings, go to personalization on the left hand menu and then click on start. This is your start menu command center. You will see a bunch of toggle switches. Your goal is to turn off everything that feeds the recommended section. Look for toggles like show recently added apps, show recently opened items in Start, Jump List and File Explorer, and show recommendations for tips, app promotion and more. Just turn them all off. In the latest updates to Windows 11, doing this will make the entire recommended section disappear completely, giving you a huge amount of usable space. And if you don't want to toggle off or turn off these tabs, there are three layouts that you can choose between them. Either you use the default one or you choose more pins so that you can pin a lot of applications or folders so you can easily access them. Or you can choose more recommendations so that you can see recommended files or recently opened tabs or recently opened files on your start menu to help you stay productive when you are using your computer. Now, with our start menu completely decluttered, it's time for the fun part, rebuilding it to fit your workflow. This is where we go from just clean to uniquely yours. We are going to strategically pin the apps you actually use and then group them into logical folders.